what is it about the personal injury cases that really lights your fire as a litigator?
Yeah, I did that for quite some time. But then what happened was, remember when I told you that one of my colleagues referred a family law case to me way back, and I got my very first family law case? That was probably 2014. I always kept in touch with him, but I guess it was about 2018. My practice was very busy, and I was getting more and more cases that required litigation because in personal injury, not all cases, of course, not all cases need to go to litigation. So I'm thinking, well, I'm kind of a one-man show. I mean, it's just me and a paralegal. And so I called up Nick and I said, hey, would you be interested in co-counseling these litigation cases with me? What we did was I would co-counsel a case once it went to litigation, and then we would split the attorney's fees between the two firms 50-50. And I mean, I'm only one person and Nick and Mike are two people. So I was making the better of the deal between, all three of us. But fast forward a couple of years and the guys, just they kind of approached me with the idea of teaming up together. And after a little while, we decided it would be best. And I've loved it ever since because now I do all pre-litigation. Nick and Mike do all the litigation. I like the pre-litigation because I like getting them on. I love the clients when they first come in and I can calm their nerves. That's the best part of it. And then setting them up with a plan because I'm very, very strict, like strategy driven. So getting them set up with a plan of this is, they need to go to treatment, helping them navigate that because a lot of them don't know what in the world they're supposed to do next or how they're supposed to pay for it or where they're supposed to go. And so I love the planning aspect of it. And of course, my absolute favorite part, and you're going to appreciate me saying this, I never once have to ask them to fill up a retainer.